Imagine waking up one morning, you check your phone, and the company you work for 3 years has sent you an email, just one email. Due to restructuring, you already know the rest. I don't need to say it. Gone. Salary gone. Routine gone. Your peace of mind gone. And here's the crazy part. The person I'm about to tell you about got the exact email. Instead of panicking, he smiled. Not because he was rich, not because he has savings, but because of something he started doing 6 months earlier. Sometimes most people ignore, and honestly, it is possibly the biggest money lesson I've ever seen. So let me explain this to you. His name is actually Kofi, a regular guy from Accra, Ghana, nothing special, no tech background, no rich uncle in London, no mainstream mentor. Just a guy trying to survive adulthood in Accra, Ghana. You know, the kind of where your salary arrive and you disappear like your love rice at a Ghana wedding. 1 minute it is there, next minute everybody has started eating. Bills, rent, transport, data, family requests. That's one cousin that always says, bro, Charlie, just a small favor. Kofi lived exactly like that. Month after month, then one day something happened. Not a disaster, not yet. Something was. He realized his entire life depend on one notification, salary credited. That is it. One notification controlled everything about Kofi financial. And that thought scared him more than he wanted to actually admit. So he made a decision, a tiny one that looked completely useless at first. After work every evening, instead of watching random video for hours on TikTok, he spent 1 hour online, just one. At first, he tried freelancing, nothing happened. 0 clients, $0. Just rejections, email flying all over. Then he tried affiliate marketing, nobody clicked. Then content creating, 3 views. And one of them was probably him, honestly. It was embarrassing. Months passed, no breakthrough for Kofi, no success story, no motivational music, just frustration. And that is where most people actually quit. And then something strange happened, not success, something more important. He started learning. Freelancing taught him sales. Content creating taught him marketing. Affiliate marketing taught him audience balance building. And even though none of them was making money, something was quietly happening behind the scenes for Kofi. Something he couldn't seize yet. Then life decided to test him hard. One afternoon in Accra, Ghana, that email arrived. That's the one nobody wants, layoffs. Effective immediately, finish just like that. Now imagine this, no salary next month, no backup plan, no certainty. Most people just panic. Kofi almost did. I said almost did. Then he opened his laptop and remembered something. A small client he got from freelancing, nothing much. Nothing much, just enough to cover groceries. Then another thing, one old YouTube video, it was suddenly getting views. A little ad revenue, tiny, just pinch, but real. Then an affiliate link, a view commission, again, small, very small. But together, something interesting was happening. And that is where the story takes turn. Nobody expects. People think multiple income streams means having many jobs. That is wrong. Completely wrong. So take a pen and a paper. Kofi discovered something that changed everything. He didn't build multiple income streams. He built multiple doors. One door opens slowly, another door opens unexpectedly, and one stayed closed for months, then suddenly opened. The magic wasn't that he made him rich. The magic that one stream could fail without destroying his life. That realization changed how he saw money forever. And what happened next shocked Kofi himself. 6 months later, his old salary was gone. But something strange replaced it. Freelance income, content income, affiliate income, digital products. None of them were actually huge, but together they were bigger than the job he lost. Read that again. The thing he built as a backup became his main income. And that is the part that it's hardest. His biggest fear wasn't losing his job anymore. His biggest fear became depend on one source again. Because once you have experienced options, it is hard to go back to dependency. Today, if one income stream drops, another keeps moving. If one client leaves, it still sleep peacefully. If YouTube changes something, life actually continues because his entire future no longer sits on one chair. And that is the mistake so many people are making in Africa. They build one chair. They act surprised when life actually shake them. Kofi built a table, 4 legs, 5 legs, 6 legs. So even when one break, everything stays standing. Look, you don't need 10 businesses. You don't need to become the next millionaire guru online. Not all of us are going to be a millionaire. You just need to stop betting your entire future on one source of income. One extra skill, one extra stream, one extra opportunity. That is how it starts. Because financial freedom isn't waking up with millions. It is waking up knowing one bad email can destroy your entire life. And honestly, that is what you need right now. So here is my question. If your main income disappear tomorrow, what will still be paying you next month? You need to think about that deeply right now. I'm going to see you in my next video. Hi, my name is Deborah. I'm a 5 years plus remote worker and also a co-founder in Remote Life Academy. Thank you for being here.